Wow! The star of the Noche Buena is here. I am not cooking, my mother. So we got a package from We, and we're now opening Cochinillo, baby pig. It's already marinated. You will see all the lemongrass inside. Also have the cooking instructions. Aluminum foil, the pan. Lay it down. Now gonna pat it dry. Lay it on the belly. Cochinillo is on sale for the week Christmas sale. You can also buy this in time for New Year's. We will wrap the legs. Cooks faster than the whole body. We heated the oven already 375. This is looking to be a fail. The oven is too small. We will reposition the pig. 2 to 3 hours. We're going to watch it. 1 hour in, already shrunk. 2 more hours to go. 450 degrees for 30 minutes for crispier skin. Wow! It's done!
Very good, sir.
So this is the tradition. You take a plate and we will crack it. Wow! 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 Wow!